Hello guys, it's a beautiful day today. Are you one of those that have been sleeping on my indicator trading strategies? Wow. I would want to advise you to please take my indicator strategies very serious. I am introducing to you a very special strategy that I call the gold crusher strategy. I'm currently on the gold charts, and then I want to show you how this strategy works. Firstly, I'm going to be introducing the indicators that we make use of in the chart, and the very first indicator I'm going to make use of is what we call the parabolic SAR. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So I'm going to add that to the chart. Parabolic SAR. Good. So this is it. Parabolic SAR. Yeah. So the green dots you're seeing on the chart is what we call the parabolic SAR. Good. So I'm going to be adding the very next indicator on the chart, and that's what we call the Williams percentage indicator. Good. So for the Williams percentage indicator, I'm making use of period 14, levels minus 80, minus 20, and I'm going to be adding one more level. I'm going to be making use of levels minus 50. It's a very important level for us. So I'm going to click on save, and yep. So this is my Williams percentage indicator on the chart, guys. So how does this strategy work? First of all, you need to understand that the parabolic SAR works in this way. As you see, the parabolic SAR imprinted on the chart under the price, it means that the market is on an uptrend. And when you see the parabolic SAR imprinted above the price, okay, it means that the market is on a downtrend. Okay, so now how does this strategy work? The first thing I'm going to be looking out for is, okay, so let's say I want to take a buy signal. I'm going to firstly ensure that the parabolic SAR has been imprinted underneath the price. Okay, so as you can see, the parabolic SAR started from here, so that means that I am on a buy trend or a buy run, whatever. This is a bullish market. So I'm going to go to the very next time frame. Since I've noticed that, the next thing for me to do is to go to the next time frame, which is the H4 time frame. This is my daily time frame, mind you. So I'm going to go to the H4 time frame. Okay, now I just need to wait for a point where the Williams percentage indicator drops below levels 50. Okay, once it drops below levels 50, then I'm good. It can drop even further below. However, once it gets to below levels 50, then I'll start looking for my entry. However, I am not supposed to enter immediately. So look at it, that's dropped below. Then I'm going to go to my entry time frame, which is the H1 time frame, guys. So on the H1 time frame, what am I supposed to be looking out for? A very, very simple stuff, guy. So I'm going to simply wait for the market. Can you see I'm moving my marker forward? So I'm going to simply wait for the Williams percentage range to get to levels 50 to enter the market. It needs to get to levels 50. As soon as it gets to levels 50, now I'm going to place my stop loss just below the low that was created there. Okay, and then see how far the market moved, guys. See how far the market moves. This is gold that almost everybody loves to trade. This is gold. So where am I going to exit? I'm going to wait for the market to get to, I'm going to exit as soon as the market gets beyond minus 20 level, just above there. I can start exiting the trade. That is it, guys. Very, very, very simple strategy. Now let's look out for a sell trade. So I'm going to go to the daily time frame. Still, mind you, all I say, whatever I say, we do on the daily time frame. Once I take my analysis from the daily time frame, then go to the H4 and finally the H1 for entry, simply means that it can be replicated on the H4, H1, and the M15. Please do not forget that. So now, guys, I'm on the daily time frame, and my parabolics has already imprinted from above, showing me that the market is on a downtrend. Good. So what's the next thing I need to do? I'm going to go to the next time frame, guys, which is the H4 time frame. And what did I say we look out for on the H4 time frame? I'm going to wait for the Williams percentage indicator to move just above levels 50, as you can see here. That's moved above levels 50. Then the next thing is for me to go take my entry. So I'm on the H1 time frame for my entries, guys. Good. So, and on the H1 time frame, what am I going to be looking out for? I'm going to wait for the Williams percentage indicator to touch the levels minus 50, guys. The levels minus 50. Please pardon me. At times I forget that it's supposed to be called minus 50. So when you hear me say levels 50 or levels minus 50, I'm referring to the same thing. So this is where it happened that you would have entered here, guys. So just see how far the market drops, guys. What else do you want me to do for you guys? Just see how far the market dropped. This is something that your mentors you pay huge amounts of money for, they don't tell you these secrets, guys. So I'm going to show you that this strategy works. Not only does it work for gold, it also works for your normal forex pairs. So let's go straight to, let's say, Euro USD. Yes, Euro USD. Okay, good. So this is Euro USD. So I'm going to look at okay, let me use the other time frames I told you about. So guys, this is Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm on the H4 time frame. Can you see that this was already showing me that I'm on a buy on a sell trend? Sorry. Okay, so it's the parabolic SAR printing above price already indicated that. Now the next thing for me to do is to go to the H1 time frame. And what happened on the H1 time frame, I have my Williams percentage range move above levels 50, which is what I'm looking for. So what's the next thing to do? You enter when the market touches levels minus 50. Okay, you enter when the market touches levels minus 50, and just have a look at this. You would have been in this trade, okay, and you would have exited around here, and then the market still gave you another entry. As long as the same things, the same criteria are still met, you would have also been in this same trade. And guys, I mean, what else do you want me to say? Look at the drastic fall that the market gave us just few minutes ago, guys. So guys, I need you guys to practice this strategy, practice on your demo account, and then go to your real account and do this. So if you're a first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.